You must be remembering yesterday we had done one activity of drawing the pictures and coloring the pictures with the help of the stencils. You remember?
Yes.
What was that? What was that? Creating mask. Okay, with the help of stencils, we have created the mask. So today we are going to learn text masking. Okay. So we have a simple text like this. Okay. Now with the help of the masking, we are going to create a beautiful or design text. So let's learn the steps how to create this.
Okay. So first of all, we will create a new layer here. So for creating a text, we have to insert two backgrounds of different colors. So one more layer and one more layer. Yes. For second layer, what we had inserted, in that layer we are going to add the text.
Okay, now we are going to select the text tool, click and drag the text tool and type the text you want. Now check that your text size should not increase. If it is more than, okay, it should between 100 to 150. If it is more size, you cannot see the text. Okay, now go to the fill. Okay, select white and click on OK. Okay. Now create a new layer, click on OK, go to the fill color, and put black. Now your text mask, you have to drag it on the top of the new layer which you have created. Then click on the mask, okay, right click and merge down. Now click on the background whichever you want and then add layer mask. Then copy the mask and paste on the new layer which you have created. Now you will get a floating layer, right click on it and then anchor that layer. Then you have to hide your mask. So this will be our output.
Silence, please.
We have learned in the gym that using our shapes, we can draw a design, a pattern, whichever we want. Same way, the child itself can draw. Suppose the rhombus draw that also he can do. So today we are going to learn layering. The layers is the grouping कशे करप. So one single shape, we make one image. Am I right?
Yes.
So there image, make one single image and that we can move around both we can do. We can rotate. जसे आम्ही एका शेपीक करू शकता पण तशी ती एक फुल इमेज करून आम्ही ताका सेम we can do like rotation, scaling and move. Okay? So we all know the shortcut keys of those. So I will not repeat for that. So here we have three shapes, that is a triangle, circle and square. Okay, so sir will make one shape, as we can see here, a simple one with a circle, square and triangle. Okay, so आज आम्ही किती करतली सिंगल शेपाची एक इमेज क्रिएट करता. Okay, because circle will be on one layer, square will be on one layer and the triangle will be on another layer. Suppose म्हाका कितें चेंजेस करू जाय कितें करचे पडटले प्रत्येक लेयराचे म्हाका चेंजेस करू जाय. Am I right?
Yes.
So what I am going to make one image आणि मागीर ताका खंय जाय थंय हांव मूव करतलें. Okay? So as you can see, so is scaling the image. Okay, so एक square आसा तो it is on one layer here, correct? Triangle is here and the circle is here, separate. आम्ही आता किती करतली grouping करतली and make one image. How we rotate the shape? Shift R. To scale, Shift S. And if I want to move, the N. Now my one image is ready. So आता आम्ही किती करता हाका grouping करता, so that I don't have to make one change on each layer. Okay, so how do we do that? There is an icon, can you see here down? As so I clicked, okay, there is a create a new layer. So just click on that, the layer will come. You all can see now everyone? So then we can give a name for that. आता ह्या इमेजक आम्ही किती नाव देऊया? Man. Okay? Yeah. So please give a name man. आता आम्ही किती करता? So प्रत्येक layer जो आसा नी त्या ग्रुपान घालता. Okay? त्याच्या under. So like how we make a subdirectory तशी करता. So just drag and keep it under that man. Okay? Now if I want to move this man, how will I move? Before that we'll have to lock those all the layers. नालेगी आतले परते एकटो सिंगलच मूव जातलो. We have to lock that and move. What he wants to show is that we can scale the full image together and also rotate to करू शकता आम्ही move करू शकता. Okay, now here is in case if I suddenly realize की म्हाका एक नवो layer जाय आणि आता हांव करता suppose जाल्यार कितें जाता तें पळया. Just give a name layer 1. So what comes is that layer, it comes in that. मतलब किती जाता ताच्या ग्रुपान वता तो पण म्हाका तातून नाका. I want it outside. So you can just drag it and take it outside. Now whatever changes you move, even that this layer also will move along with that picture. So we can color that layer and then you'll come to another difference. Yes. Okay. So let's move to another. Okay? Let's move the picture. Okay. So I mean initially भुरग्यांक दाखोवपाक शकता की with this we can make rotation हांगा तांचे मातशी थोय skill comfort जातली. They'll be comfortable with those shortcut keys and then make a picture आणि मागीर ते खंय जाय तशें move करू शकता together. So any query?
Fuzzy tools today.
Okay, so we start. So we go first to the file, okay, and we take a new, and then we take a ratio 1920 by 1080, okay, that is the HD, and then we go to Google and we try to take a picture with a white background, okay. Then we take a fuzzy tool, okay, duplicate the layers. First, go to file. Okay, take the fuzzy tool, click on it, it will highlight, then create a blank layer, or you can rename the layer if you require. Take a fill color, select black color, say OK, and paste it on the white background. Then we go to select and we say invert, and then again we go to for a fill color. We take a white color and we place it on the image and say OK. Then we go to select and say none. Why we say none? So that it is highlighted, so we want to remove the border of it. So that's why we say none. Then right click on the layer, that is the second layer, and say add layer mask and say add. So by default it is white color, right? Okay. Then we need to copy the first layer. So copy it and paste it on the mask. When we get a floating, then right click on the floating and we say anchor layer, and we close the layer for the first and the last one. Last one. Yes. Here we are. Then if you want, you can add one more layer for the background, okay, and just place it below the mask. That's it. Scale it. Bring it Yes. And then scale it. No, it's gone back. Color. Yes. Done? Yeah. Thank you.
Hello students. Okay. For your all know that for our subject there is no theory, no practical. Okay, so there is no question paper also. But now I need a pen and a paper. Yeah, my lovely kids. I have beautiful flowers for you. Yeah. Now, kindly observe the screen. Yeah. And write your observations. Write your observations. Yeah, all ready? Yes. Now, let's start with the LLBs. Yeah.
I can see a border.
Yeah? Okay. Yeah, sir. Vishwanath. Sorry. Yeah. Yes, sir.
The flowers are moving, teacher.
Yeah, flowers are moving, but how?
They are in a bunch.
Okay, it's a bunch. It's a bunch of flowers, no? Okay, it's a bunch of flowers. And what else?
They are moving within that frame.
Within that frame. Okay, you can see a jungle also. Yeah.
I can see two images. One is moving, one is still.
One is moving, one is still. Okay. So you all want to create this?
Yes.
Yes? Open your computers. Create a new file. We all have learned, and I had shared yesterday images that we will be using in today's practical. Yeah, create a new file. So now we say a bunch of flowers. Okay, what was the first thing? The border. Okay, teacher, kindly get the border. You all also get the border. Yesterday I had shared the pics. Border first, teacher. Yeah. Not the peacock, the border. Create a new file. Exactly that embroidered frame. Yeah. Everyone got the white background and the front border.
Now what you all observe? The next, we said a bunch of flowers. No? So let's get the flower. Open that champa, we call chafe in Konkani. Why it's coming so big? We had covered it in our last lesson. So we have to scale it. Arey, it's only a single flower. It's not a bunch of flowers. So we will create it. Okay. My next problem is, now see, it has a black background and the frame is there. Okay. Now I need to blend it properly so that only that flower is visible. Okay. So now here in modes here search for light only. Light only. Now my next problem is get the copies of it to make a bunch of flowers. So let's duplicate this layer. So I need 4 copies, 3 more, 1, yeah. Teacher will. Yeah. Yeah. It's done? Yeah. And the 4th one also. Yeah, and the 5th one. No, wait. Yeah. Move it here. One more. This side. Here. Yeah. Now, see here. See my expected outcome. Observe this flower and this flower. Observe this flower and this flower. So what we need to do? Flip. Very good. We need to flip. And here is the tool for the flip. Select the tool and click. Teacher, wait. Yeah, flip this one also. Yeah. Everyone got? Yes? Shall we move? Yes. And my next is the jungle. How to get it? Go in the picture folder and look for that jungle. 5. Open
one as a layer, huh? Are, what happened? Everything is gone. So what we should do? Huh? What we should do?
Now we will not do it. See the only expected outcome? कोणाक कोणाक मेळे जंगल जंगल मेळे बुके ना मेळो या now show the expected outcome now see even I can see some part of the jungle inside the frame. So for this, first, what we need to do so that, yeah teacher, what we need to do now? Yeah, this outcome. Now here we are. Okay, move it. Move the layer down. Last. Behind the frame. Yeah. Moved. Yeah. Now, see this. See here. This is expected outcome. See. Both are same? Observe the frame. Observe the frame. Color वेगळा असा. हय. So we need to again blend it so that the behind light is also visible through the frame. So change the mode. You can try different modes over here to blend. Try darken only. Yeah. Your file should exactly look like this. Yeah. The one who got this expected outcome, kindly clap for you all. Thank you. Okay, now our next problem was what? Moving the full bouquet. How to do it? Group it. So now tick stack all the flowers. And now move it. Yes. Thank you. Thank you, teachers.
Good afternoon, teachers. So our topic is text masking. So our previous batch I have already taught you how we are making a text masking. So I'll show you all how to do a 3D effect for the mask. Okay? So Tejaswi first she will explain you what is masking.
Okay, so last week Porinji हमगे शिगमा शिकलो, correct? So when we were going, I told Sushant, our partner, to get mask for us. So he bought a mask for us. So yes. So when I put this on my face, only eye, nose and the mouth part is visible, correct? Okay, so similar way here also we can do masking. Now for example, when you do masking, the lightened part, the part which is white will be visible and the dark will be hidden. Okay, now for example, if I want to do a masking for the word hello, okay? So I have cut a stencil for this. This is called as masking. Okay, so this part which is transparent, that is white, and here this is black. Now suppose for this part, okay, for the white part, I want some color. Now, suppose this is my background, okay, so when I put a background over here, and then I will mask it like this. So the background part is visible where it is white, okay, where it is transparent. So similar way here also we can do masking. Okay, so now let's see how to do masking.
We'll create a new file. Click on File, New. We'll take a background black. Then I'll take background image. Okay, and here I'll take a text. And before typing a text, I'll make the text to be appear white. Now why white? Because the white is my transparent. And black background will be my opaque. Okay, because of that, the text, whatever text I am writing, that text I will be doing white. I'll write it in capital. Sorry. If you want, you can make the font size less here. You can increase the size, you can decrease the size. exercise. Okay, and then I'll take another layer. And I'll make this background black. I'll go to select, invert, I'll take a black color.
Okay, create a new layer. And fill it with black color. Okay. Then right click on this case Goa and say merge down. So now both the layers are merged. Okay. Now we have to add a mask. So click on the background which you have taken. Right click on it and say add layer mask. Keep the default. Click on add. Okay. Now copy this mask. Control C and paste it here where you have added the layered mask. And when the floating selection comes, right click on it and anchor the layer. And then hide the mask. Now you can even add a border to the mask. So let's see how to add a border. Right now it's all black. So we can add a colorful border across it. So right click and add a new layer. And choose any color. Let's for example red. And take the selection tool and drag it. And use the selection tool, drag it to whatever border you want and click the delete key. Okay. Now this mask, even you can share it to the other layers. So this case Goa, if you want to put it in this, for example in this layer, in this frame. So how to do that? Click on this and drop it here. Should be below that. Okay, this is how we share the mask.
So to do this 3D effect, so what we can do, we can take a new layer. Okay. We can take a background. Okay, and here we'll add a mask. We'll go to text, copy, and paste. So the two layers are there. So I'll take this layer down. And you can slightly move this layer. So you got the 3D effect there. Thank you.
Yeah, any questions or suggestions for that?
Teachers, we are going to discuss about how to create a text logo. You can see here text is written here and it's nicely written. It's a different design. So in Gene, we can do in a similar way where we are going to take background and that same background we are going to put in the text. So I request Aniruddha sir to start. We'll take first file, new, yeah, open one background, yeah, one colorful background, then open as layer, and this layer we are going to put it in the text. So for that we need to take one layer, new layer, yeah, and hide both the layers. Now select text tool, yeah, fill it with black color and type text in that and take white color for that. So background will be black color and text color will be white. Yeah, clear? Both the layers we have hidden and now we have introduced one new layer, and that in that new layer we have taken black color and font color is white. So merge these two layers, merge down, yeah. Add a layer mask. Yeah, then copy paste and paste it in the mask. Now we get a floating selection. Click on that and choose anchor layer. And now hide the text. Can you see the text? It has taken the color of background. Yeah. So this is where we must do a text look. Thank you.
create one. Why? Why do you want the logo? Why do you want the logo? See, is creating a logo a problem? Or is it that somebody wants maybe a t-shirt with a good design or something on it? That is something which you want to do. What is the problem? Logo is a solution to a problem, right? Or is logo a problem?
My father has a business and his shop he wants to put a logo. Can that be a problem?
Yes.
IPL logo.
IPL logo is not a problem. IPL already has a logo. Somebody wants a logo. Somebody wants a T-shirt design.
Or basically you have got a sports shoe.
Hello. How are you all? Okay. So yesterday we had a craft class, isn't it? It was great fun. We have created this. All of you have created, no? Yes. Okay. So how you have created this? Yeah. But what you have used? Shapes. Very good. So you have used shapes in this. Okay. And using various shapes, we have created this. So while creating this, what you have done? Suppose I want to create this chocolate. So how many shapes I have used? Two. And what I have done with that shapes? Correct. And? Yeah, we turn, correct. We have turned them. That means we have rotated them. Then we have changed the size. Correct? So, by doing all this, we have created these shapes, isn't it? Yes. And now, this year you are going to learn one interesting software where you are going to have fun like this, creating shapes and lot many things you will do in that. So, first let us see, can we do this in that? Okay. So for that, all of you have GIMP installed on your system? Yes. Okay. So now you don't open. Now I'll just explain, and then you have to do it. You have to show it. Okay. By doing. So let us start with opening with the how to open the GIMP. So. Who will tell me how to open the GIMP?
So why GIMP, not Paint application? You can do the shape, the Paint application.
Yeah, you have done it in Paint. But here we have got many more features which are more interesting. So we will learn that also. Paint we have learned already. Isn't it? Now all of you know how to use the Paint. So you want to learn something new, no? So we'll learn this. Okay, so first we'll open the GIMP. So you have to click on start and then you can see GIMP. So click on that. So you are familiar with this interface because you have already seen in the last class. Okay, now let us have a new file. For that, how will take new file? File and new, correct? Now see, can you see the image size? Yes? So it is 1920 width and 1080 height. So you can increase and decrease this. Okay? But we are keeping this size only because it is the default size for videos. Okay? So click on OK. Now this is your blank screen. Now let us see what teacher is doing, and after that you have to complete your task. Okay. So let us first we want to insert the shapes. So already shapes are shared with you. Okay, so I will insert one shape here. So let us insert a square. Okay. Now square is there. Now to create a chocolate, what I want to do? No, but I want to move it. Okay, so how to move the square? We have to press N key from the keyboard and we can move the square. Correct? Now we want to rotate it. For that, what we will do? Shift R. And we will rotate it. Now have you observed what happens when it rotates? It rotates from the center. Now suppose if I want to rotate it from one corner, you can see one small point over that circle. Yeah, it is pivot point. So I will change that pivot point. I will shift that pivot point. Shift R. And now see what will happen if I rotate. What happened? Now
From the center.
it is rotating from the corner. Correct? Shift R you press first. Then shift the pivot point. And then you rotate. Correct? Yeah. Now I want another shape. So I will add one more layer. Okay? Suppose I want triangle. Okay, I will add triangle. I will move it by using N. And now if I want to scale this, I want to make it smaller. So I will use Shift S. Okay? Then I will scale it. Okay? So now you have learned how to rotate, how to scale, okay, and how to move. Okay, have to change the pivot point. Now your assignment is, I want you to do this shape, any one shape from whatever you have created. Okay, you have created the craft. No, yesterday you have created the shapes. From that, you have to create a shape by using all this: shift, rotate, move, okay, and create a shape. In next class, we will learn how to fill color in that shape, okay. So in this class, you will create a shape and you will show me. Okay? Yes, I will check. Very good, Pallavi, very good. You are claps. Good students. Okay, so she has created already. So now it's your time to create the shape and then we will see how to color that shape. Okay? Thank you. नुस्ते काढले. Very good, very good. Okay, so फाल्यां आमी सगळे शेप्स कितें नुस्तें घर सगळे आसा ते एके कडेन करूया आनी पळोवया. Okay, thank you.
Okay, good evening everybody. We are from Mormugao. Okay, some of us in the city there. So okay, here I have got a blank paper.
Then a flower.
There is a flower and a leaf separate. Now the question here is, if I want to make it as a complete flower with a leaf, what will I do? Cut the leaf. Put it here. What I'll do with this? Okay, tell me different solutions.
So cut the flower.
Cut the flower.
Stick on that paper.
Stick on this paper. Very good.
Cut the leaf.
Cut the leaf.
And stick on the flower.
Very good. This is one solution. If this page is not there, second solution. What is that solution? I will cut the flower and stick on this. Or cut the leaf and stick on this. For me, cutting means masking. This is one full picture. I want only a small part of that picture. That is masking. Okay, so let's learn how to do this in computer. Our expert Devendra is here. Okay, so we got a flower. It has no leaf. Okay, then we downloaded one flower, that leaf also. Devendra sir, please insert that. Leaf. Okay, can you make it little big? Okay, now here there is a small problem. I showed you that leaf. This is that leaf. It has no background. So using the fuzzy tool, if I click on the white, fuzzy tool is already covered. If I click on the white, all the white portion will be selected. But here there is a problem. The problem is, if I click here outside the leaf, it will select all the colors which are wherever you are clicking. Suppose you click on the blue, all the blue things will be selected. So, in order to select only this part, before we do it, to select only the leaf part, there are different ways. Wait, fuzzy tool no. One method is, fuzzy tool is out. Because it is not going to help us, correct? Yes. Okay, so one method which is not covered for this workshop is this tool. The third, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth one, okay? We will not use that. Okay? One more method is there. There is a free form select tool. That is, you can slightly go here and cover. Okay, so it was this scissor one which I was talking earlier. Okay. So okay, see here it is just selecting. But what is happening is our selection becomes crooked here. So we are going to skip this tool also. The tool which we are going to use is the path tool here. So click on the path tool. Now what are we doing now? What is the task that we are doing? We are trying to select only the leaf. Hope you don't forget that. Okay, so here in this path tool, wait, slow. Okay, can you zoom it? Zoom the picture. Zoom the picture. Yeah, zoom. Okay, very good question here. How to zoom? What you can do is press the control and use the round. Yeah, scroll button, that round wheel. Okay. Click there. Zaina, model astal. Okay, so you keep on clicking. Wherever you are clicking, there it is going to create a dot. Okay, now suppose if it is slightly curved shape, what you will do is click. Must you click here. New node. Click and drag at the same time. Don't leave it. Click and drag. Okay, very good. So you can adjust these nodes which was not happening in the free-form select. This tool. Okay, so this is the advantage of using the path tool. So our expert is very expert in putting the dots.
सर आमकां मार्क्स मेळटले न्ही डॉट्स मेळपाना
दिवया.
सर नो मार्क्स नो रायटिंग So how can we start?
How to?
Move the screen.
Okay, very good question, Nazia. To move the screen, what you can do is press the space bar. Just move the mouse. No need of pressing of the button. No, just press the space button and move the mouse. Just don't click. Space bar. You don't have to press anything there. Yes, space bar. Yes.
You can do it.
Devendra race like us. Okay. Okay. Now come close. Don't touch. Then pound on your pine. Okay. Let it be very close. Don't touch. Okay. So now what we do? See. Nothing will happen. Okay. But it might create a problem for us. Okay. Now just look here. Yeah. Okay, now what is a path? What is a path? Suppose I'm walking this side on the beach. All the footsteps, all are marked there. Okay, so same thing. What we have done here, we have just marked our path. That is this. Okay. Now computer does not know what we are doing. Now what we want here, whatever part is selected, we want that part to be selected. Only the path we have created, now that we have got it. Okay. Very good. Now Devendra. Okay, go to path. Where is that path? On the right side here.
So
Yeah.
why we are not connecting that this?
That will have to ask Jim Collins. So we came here on the paths here. Okay, okay, now this path. Yeah, right click and path to selection. Path to selection. We are doing the path to the selection. Okay, now you can see that something the ends are running here. Ends are running. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So till here we have completed. We have selected only the leaf. We have made the part also. Path that selection also. Now we'll make a blank layer. Create a new layer. Okay, remember. Okay. So the layer is selected. Wait, 1 second. No, wait, 1 second. To avoid all the confusion, okay. So what remained here is only the leaf and the selected. Okay. Now, whatever part is selected, this is inside part. This is the part which we selected, not outside. Bucket there. Put the white color. As you know, white means to transfer. Okay. Now we want the other part. So we'll go to select, and there is invert. Take the bucket, invert the color also, and put it there. Okay. Mask is created. Okay, so now we have to apply that mask to our not flower. Leaf. Mask we apply for the leaf. Okay.
Unhide.
Yeah.
Dora.
Okay. Slow. Okay. So just hide this. Hide. Okay. So you can see. This is our leaf, and there's the mask on top. Unhide.
Dora.
Have you understood what is done? Yes. Those who say yes, put your hands down. Okay. All are yes. All are understood. Very good. Okay. Okay. Add mask layer. Okay. I finished. I also have to. Okay, so add mask layer. This we added the mask layer. Now we have to apply this mask to this particular image. So Devin, how will you do that?
Copy paste.
Very good. So copy and
Paste. And anchor.
anchor. The mask is created. Okay, now this. Okay. Now we have only adjust and bring it down and fix to the stem. Yeah, move it.
Scale. First it is scale.
Yeah, scaling. Machine is
Scale. साडेसहा ते 20 कमी करतात.
Yeah. So now he is actually scaling it.
Move it. Anchor.
Our students are expert in the teachers. Scale. What we have noted when we scale it down, computer hangs something.
Sir, flipper.
I don't know why. Okay, so take it little down.
One more option is that you can select it from here while scaling from the center.
Yeah, that.
So what it has got a big border
Which?
for the leaf when we scale.
Crop to consider.
Okay. Any questions? Any questions?
So next year आपका
I don't know why it is not done. It is better not put to me in my workshop. Okay, thank you very much. This is Mohammed Talaga.
Okay, I'm MT from Kankona and CT from Sangya doing this presentation. Okay, I have one question for you. Have you ever seen a photo with a frame? पहिला तुम्ही? असं कोणी असं हांगा जाणी पळोवंक ना फोटो विथ अ फ्रेम? पळयला न्ही सगळ्यांनी? कोणूच ना जेणी पळोवंकूच ना तो? तुमच्या घरा कडेन आसा इज देयर इन युअर हाउसेस फोटो विथ अ फ्रेम ऑन द वॉल? आसा न्ही? Right? So if you have not seen it, I'm showing it on the screen here. Selvius, can you just show? Yeah. This is a photo of a girl, a woman, okay, with a frame. Now, how about doing this thing in gym, right? Fine. So we'll open gym and we'll try that. Okay, first, what you have noticed in the photo? किती पहिला तुम्ही फोटो भितर ते फ्रेमिंग किती असतात? Okay, there is a photo of a girl and a frame, right? So first we take the frame. Okay, आम्ही पहिली फ्रेम घेऊया आणि घालूया आमच्या. So you have to click on file, open, and then you have to select the frame which you want. Okay. So आम्ही फ्रेम घेतली, right? So we'll just open it. Must slow sir. Yeah. Now, हाचफाट आमचं किती जाय? What should we take? Photo, right? Frame आहे आमची आमकां किती जाय? We want a photo. So we have to select a photo. So again we have to open it as a layer. Open as a layer and then select the photo which you require to put in the frame. So we have selected the photo also. Now what is the next challenge for us? आता जे problem असा ते आमकां solve करपाक जाय न्ही. आमी कितें केलां आमी frame घेतला आनी photo घेतला. पूण आमी आमचे problem solve जाले. आमकां ते picture आशिल्ले पळय different तशें आसा तें? Is it? ना न्ही. So we have to solve this problem, right? So what we'll do, we'll take a new layer first. So for that you have to go down and click on create a new layer. समझता नहीं? Fine. After taking the layer, what you have to do? You have to just go in bucket fill, right? And then you have to change the color to black of the full layer, right? Okay. आता तू म्हणलें picture नाच झाले. After that, we have to take a ellipse tool and try to draw a oval shape or circle, whatever it is. आता आम्ही काढला पण आमकां खबर ना की आमचो फोटो एक्झॅक्टली ताच्या कोणा येतलो काय ना तो. We have a solution for that. कोणी सांगपाक शकता what should we do? कोणा खबर आसा, आयडिया आसा कितें करपाक जाय तें? Okay, we'll tell you. You have to just go under that first layer and then just hide that layer. And then place this oval shape as per your requirement. जशी तुमकां जाय ते फोटो कसो जावपाक जाय येवपाक जाय तातूंत, right? Right? So get it. So again you can just hide unhide kariya layer, first layer, and then you have to fill white color transparent karpak jay teka in that oval. Okay, so we will put it white color. So आमचे इतले पर्यंत झाले पण आमचो अजून फोटो ते फ्रेमी भितर आयल्या कारण आमकां खबर नाही as per our requirement कसं जाय तशें. So what we do, आमी first second layer आसा ताजेर add layer mask घेतले, right? And then say add. After that, we will click on first layer and then we'll say copy. आम्ही तो पहिले layer copy करतलो on the second layer जे आता आम्ही add केला. So we will get something called floating selection. Okay? आता ताजेर आम्ही परत right button click करून आमका anchor layer करपाक पडटलो, right? So इतले पर्यंत केले बट आमचो फोटो आमकां दिसना, राइट? सो आमी कितें करता फर्स्ट लेयर आसा पळय, ओके, वन सेकंड, या. सो आता आमचो फर्स्ट लेयर आसा तेका आमी हाइड करूया आनी पळोवया कितें जाता तें. सो हियर दिस वे वी आर गेटिंग आवर फोटो इन दैट फ्रेम. समजलं सगळ्यांक? थँक्यू.
सगळ्यांनी रिसेस टाइम एन्जॉय केलो? येस. रेडी? येस. सो आम्ही कालची जी ऍक्टिव्हिटी केली लेयरिंग सगळ्यांनी याद आसा? ओ पिक्चर केलो आम्ही, वेगळे वेगळे लेयर्स केली आणि आम्ही ती सगळी पिक्चर्स जॉइन केली, राइट? इन जिम ऑल्सो वी डिड द सेम ऍक्टिव्हिटी. आता आमचे बाय अर्चना काल म्हाका सांगपाक येयलें की तेका हो एक पिक्चर खूप आवडला. हो पिक्चर बाय अर्चना खूप आवडलेलो आसा आणि आमचे बाय ईश्वरी आसा तेका आनी एक हो पिक्चर आवडला आणि तेणी म्हाका सांगतात की ना म्हाका डेस्कटॉप होच जाय. ते म्हणटा होच जाय. सिस्टम एकूच आसा, तेंका दोगांकूय एक कंप्युटर शेअर करचो पडटा कारण आमचे कडेन कंप्युटरांचे शॉर्टेज आसा. ओके, आता दोन्ही पिक्चर्स तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी पळयली? सो म्हाका कितें दिसता इतली बरी भुरगीं दोगांकूय हर्ट करचे न्हू. सो आमी एक अशें पिक्चर तयार करूया की तितून हे दोन्ही पिक्चर्स आसपाक जाय. ओके, सो सी नाव दिस पिक्चर किती दिसता तुमकां हांगासर? कशें दिसता पिक्चर? 1, 2 आनी काय थर्ड आसा न्हू? कशें दिसता पिक्चर? एश्टी सांग.
थर्ड वन बरें
दिसता. ओके, सो ईश्वरी टीचर आनी अर्चना बाय, ईश्वरी बाय आनी अर्चना बाय, सॉरी. आतां तुमी सांगा, यू आर ओके विथ दिस पिक्चर? अशें करया आमी. आतां अशें करतले जाल्यार आमी जे फाटीं थोडेशें जिम्पाचे जे कन्सेप्ट शिकल्यात ते यूज करपाक जाय आनी आमकां हें पिक्चर हांगा तयार करपाक जाय. कोणी कितें आयडियाज आमकां दिवपाक शकता जाल्यार सांगात. सो हांगासर हे दोन पिक्चर्स जे आमी जॉइन केल्या आनी ते कलर्स मिक्सिंग जाल्यात न्हू, दिसता न्हू बरें दिसता न्हू इफेक्ट बरो येयलो आसा ताका कितें म्हणटात एक टर्म बीन आसा तो खबर आसा तुमकां एडिटिंग ओके आनी कोणी सांगता मिक्सिंग ओके मिक्सिंग ऑफ कलर्स merging okay in dream we call it as blending okay so today's topic is blending and we are going to learn this now.
Okay teachers, you know this process is called blending. Okay, why we do blending?
We can mix colors. Two images are mixed combine to look
What is the problem in this actually? But what is the problem in this?
दोन्ही images सारखे दिसना.
टीचरीने एक्झाम्पल दिले ना ईश्वरी बाय that is the problem no actually आमकां दोन्ही इमेज यूज करपाक जाय म्हणजे दोन्ही हॅप्पी करपाक जाय आमकां तेजे खातीर आमी ब्लेंडिंग करता सो एक्चुअली दॅट वॉज अ प्रॉब्लम सो आतां आमी तो सोल्युशन दिता
जशें हांगा आमी करता तशें तुमचे कडेन जे दोग जाणां तुमी एक कंप्युटर चॅक करता तुमी ट्राय करपाचें आसा ओके सो first we have taken the different pictures the two pictures we want to blend okay
okay teachers first we take one layer first layer it is So this is my first layer. After this, I take second layer. Teachers, see, I have mentioned my first layer is second picture, middle one is there, no? And second one is that background. So I have to rearrange it.
हो पिक्चर परत एकदा दाखयता ताका आवडटा तुमकां पळोवपाक परत परत ओके आतां हांगा जर म्हाका थोडेशे कलर्स डिफर करपाक जाय जाल्यार हो ट्रान्सपरंट शीट हांव हांगा प्लेस करता
चेंज कितें दिसता
कलर इफेक्ट
कलर इफेक्ट जाल्यात न्हू सो असोच इफेक्ट आतां हांगासर आमी क्रिएट करता ओके
Actually, it's called modes in this game. So, can you show me where is the modes in this? So we'll try some different modes. We'll apply some modes in this, and we'll see the effects. Okay.
see the effect सो हो प्रॉब्लम आशिल्लो ग्राउंडचो बाय ईश्वरी आनी बाय कंचनाचो सो तांकां आवडटा तोच आमी हांगासर मोड एक्सेप्ट करतली बाय अर्चना सांग ओके आसा तुका चेंज कर ना बरो दिसता
बेस्ट दिसता टिचर
ओके
We are not scared yet.
So we are sharing 2 more pictures with you. Homework. Yes, okay. And you have to blend those pictures. सगळ्यांना आवडलो टॉपिक आयचो अशें ब्लँडिंग तुम्ही करूंक शकता आता करतली श्योरली सो हांगासर हांगा एक ट्री बनियान ट्री इज शोन हियर आणि दुसरी जो आसा फायर पिक्चर हे दोन्ही पिक्चर तुमकां आतां आमी शेअर करता तुम्ही ब्लँडिंग करून दाखोवपाचें आसा थँक्यू व्हेरी मच
अराउंड 5 years बॅक आमची स्कुलाची पिकनीक न्ही घर पळोवपाक गेल्ली चांद्रा
You can do it with your photo also. Yes. Thank you.